Hi, the next assignment you'll be working on in AP Psychology is called Riding a Bicycle. This is on page 11 of the Neuroscience and Behavior module. You have short instructions at the bottom of the page, as well as the instruction to go over and list the full instructions. So, what you're going to be doing here, the brain while riding a bicycle mind map. A mind map is a diagram that's used to represent words, ideas, tasks, or other items linked and arranged around a central key idea or word. Mind maps are used to generate visual, structure, and classify ideas, as well as aid in the study, organization, problem solving, decision making, and writing. So you're going to create your mind map in Word. You'll use this sheet as a guide. Here are some common commands for creating a mind map. You could do this in a mind map like Creator. There's different programs that will create this for you, but you have to save it into a PDF. You can't just submit a link. So in order for you to get credit if you use a Creator, you need to save your work into a PDF. And again, don't take images or screenshots of work. It needs to be saved in an accepted format and turned in that way. Or your option is to follow these instructions to create a Word document to create your mind map. Now I'm going to come down here to the bottom to the meat of the assignment and what you should actually put into this mind map. So it's going to start in the middle. You're going to have the brain because again, we're looking at the brain. And you are going to be providing examples of how the brain's functions would help you in riding a bicycle. These are incomplete examples because they have not been finished. They're not finished, but it does show you how to create the mind map and what it should look like. So we have the cerebellum, and so I'm going to have the cerebellum, and off the cerebellum, I'm going to have 3 examples of how the cerebellum relates to riding a bicycle. So what you're going to need to know is you're going to need to know the function of that brain part, first of all. And in these examples, I'm not asking for the function of the brain part. I'm asking for the application of how this brain part helps you while riding a bicycle. Does it help you see? Does it help you keep balance? Does it help you pedal? What does it do to help you ride the bicycle? So there should be 3 rational explanations for each brain part. Once you've done that, you'll just take another line and come off that brain, and you'll have the medulla. And then again, there'll be 3 examples of how the medulla contributes to riding a bicycle. And so once you're finished, there's going to be 15. Say if I'm doing mine color coded and all my brain parts are purple, I'm going to have 15 purple circles, and then there'll be 3 orange circles with explanations coming off each one of those purple circles. And again, do not submit a link, please. Do not submit a screenshot. Make sure that your work is saved in one of the accepted formats and turned into the assignment box. So I hope that this helps a little bit with what it is you're supposed to be doing for this assignment. Again, you're going to be looking at all 15 brain parts and applying them to riding a bicycle. Not providing definitions, but applying them to riding a bicycle. This should be 3 examples for each brain part.